Thank you so much for believing in us and for supporting us over the years. We would not be here today if it wasn't for your support, so thank you. Last year was such an incredible year for Technovation, one that stands out for multiple reasons and in large part because of your support. We were able to strategize and develop a blueprint to scale our model and empower millions of girls around the world to become leaders, entrepreneurs, and change makers. And we were able to share our story, our impact and plans at the UN General Assembly and at COP, two huge firsts for us. Thank you for believing in us, and please know that you are making the world better each day. Here is just one story from the thousands to show how real this is.
My name is Winnie Msamba and I am from Tanzania. The problem that I'm working on is on the extraction of a new soil substitute, mainly to combat the fight against the severe impact that soil facility is facing through climate change. So some of the solution that I have developed currently is the manufacturing of an eco-friendly 100% organic growing medium from coconut husk, which is usually regarded as a biodegradable organic waste. So we use them and we extract to an organic growing medium for agricultural production. I've been working with local farmers where we help them to use this effective medium to grow their plants, also to help them like keeping the environment safe and minimizing soil degradation. I think it's going to look like moving on outside Tanzania and kind of share this innovation to other countries, potentially within East Africa. So we're talking about Kenya and Uganda, making sure that this innovation reach more people as possible and more people can be involved.